Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Deanne Munoz here at Unleash Your Sexi for another exciting tip. It's so controversial and it's always being talked about all over social media. What is the difference between being thirsty and being flirty? It's very simple. Being thirsty is someone who is not into you. They're not calling you back. They're not returning any of your texts. And then you're over here all mad like, hey, what's wrong? They're not into you. Accept the fact, move on, stop bugging them. Actually, let's change the definition of thirsty to psycho-harassment. That's basically what thirsty is. Remember that flirting is when you're pursuing someone who wants you to pursue them. Somebody doesn't want you to pursue them, hit the road, Jack. They want nothing to do with you. So many times people mistake, well, I don't want to seem too desperate with the girl I'm dating. If you're dating somebody, showing affection, showing interest is not being thirsty if you're dating and they like you. Please, you cannot smother a woman enough with affection or love. If she's not talking to you and she's not pursuing you, she is not into you. Remember that, you guys. Back off. Don't be thirsty. Next week, I have another great topic. You can't miss this one. I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.